So I want to go ahead and confirm. I might have said that this screen was 12 inches and this one was, I didn't say what this was, but this is actually a 12-inch screen. This is a 9-inch screen. So sorry for any confusion there. But so far, really love how the Pathfinder handles. Really, really nice drive here. The suspension feels really good. I'm getting feedback without feeling like the ride is rough. And particularly in this Platinum, the seats really help. Really adjustable, really comfortable. Now for this price range, I'm really impressed by how much Nissan was actually able to put in here. The storage is fantastic in the Pathfinder. Of course, you get the Nissan safety shield, intelligent cruise control with the lane centering, the heads-up display, great picture. Love the digital gauge cluster. That really looks nice. And I just feel like for the most part, they didn't try and skimp as much as I would have expected. Of course, there is a little bit of plastic throughout, especially on the doors, but for the most part, everything seems really premium. So that's the safety shield, and as you can see, it's keeping me in the lines even on this back road. So you're not supposed to do that, but I just want to show you. Most vehicles can't even pick these lines up because they're so dim. But as you can see, it cut off there because it starts to fade even more. But yeah, really good ride, very comfortable. Minimal road noise even with these 20-inch wheels on here. I'm gonna put it into sport mode and I'm gonna try out these paddle shifters and see if I'm impressed or not. And the shifts are pretty good for the most part. Certainly downshifts are very quick. And I actually like the exhaust note. And this V6 is actually pretty peppy. I'm gonna put it into eco mode now. And then I have the safety shield on, eco mode. See if I can find where the fuel mileage is. So right there, we're getting about 27 miles per gallon, it looks like. Just coming down this stretch of interstate. And I'm very impressed just by how the cabin acoustics really do a good job at making sure wind noise is not intruding. It is pretty windy out today. It's not as bad as it could be, but it's got to be going at 7-8 miles per hour. And I'm actually getting more feedback, and it's not blowing the vehicle all over the place, but just a little bit of feedback because it's windy out here. I'm getting more like from the vehicle moving as opposed to the actual sound coming through the window. So that's really, really impressive. But I just love driving aids, specifically lane centering and adaptive cruise. And this system, all in all, is just really, really capable. And honestly, for this kind of money, you get a lot. Really good space. I didn't test out the third row because the third row is so adjustable, I would probably say the room is on the higher end compared to maybe a GMC Acadia or even a Toyota Highlander. So I'm just really, really impressed overall with Nissan on this new Pathfinder, specifically this Platinum. And to only have a naturally aspirated V6, especially with lower torque numbers, I am surprised by how this gets up, even in eco mode. I don't feel like it's underpowered at all, even with this being a somewhat larger vehicle. And I really like that the 9-speed is in here instead of a CVT, because the 9-speed does a good job, especially having your intelligent 4-wheel drive. And then if you have to tow or haul anything, it's nice to have a traditional transmission. But with all that being said, this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2023 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum.